We were a small company, very small. I remember most is thinking about the customers. Could I deliver? Could I take care of them? Well, I married into the family. Melanie and I, we met and eventually got married, and then, H asked me to go to work for him.
It was just really small. I think they may have had 1 or 2 crews. He really cared about people, and I think that resonated with the customer.
He always kept a person's best interest in mind. Just a kind of a neat guy.
When my dad passed away, I was 20, and John was 24.
I'd only been working in the business for about a year.
John really had this struggle with the business by himself for several years.
I really did just about everything. It was me and one other guy. We were a 2-crew company. It just seemed like we weren't being able to keep up. I've come to realize either something was going to change or we may have to close. Dig a lot of dirt out, especially underneath homes, or all of our guys, just hard work. What it amounted to. It wasn't a lot of fluff about it. Just go do it. And here we are today, and we're continuing to go. And it's so exciting to see, what may be ahead.
I think it's been really cool to see just the legacy that my parents are building through Baird. I hope that Will and I can do half of what they've been able to do. Honestly, gives me more confidence that we're going to be able to do it and take it somewhere.
Melanie and I wanted to position them and Baird to be able to be around for decades. I'm just in awe, but also excited. Just a great thing. Can't wait to see what the next 4 or 5 years bring.